The main point of this training was to demonstrate the technique about operating rotary machine polishers at higher speeds to get the clarity and obviously maximise the system that we've got from the polish and the pad combinations. There was a lot of misconception, certainly in the UK, with the way that operates because it is unorthodox. So we thought it was very, very important that we put the correct message out there, how well it works when used correctly. Utilising and understanding how the paint systems on vehicles work, and obviously understanding how far that you can actually push the polish in terms of how far you've got on working times, etc., and the pressures. Providing that all that's in a certain criteria, then people are absolutely amazed by the results, and that's what's really wanting them to learn the system.
Very informational, took away a lot of knowledge, especially with the high-speed polishing techniques.
The time it cuts your polishing time by is phenomenal, it really is. And the clarity of the finish is fantastic.
I'm basically correcting a car with a wool pad at high speeds on speed 6, and I'm not even leaving any mess. No buffer trails, no holograms, nothing.
They've always come up from DA and heard the horror stories about rotary polishing, but ultimately bringing them on, teaching them various techniques and just being there for them on the other end of the phone, on the other end of a text, I think is give them the confidence that they've got the backing of a system that they can rely on, and the work clearly shows.